Section 2, Economics. Chapter 1, Introduction of an Economy. We will study the following points in this chapter. 1.1, Introduction. 1.2, Meaning and definition of an economy. 1.3, Types of economy. 1.4, Features of an economy. One point one, Introduction. We must have observed many activities happening around us, such as farming, manufacturing, mining, transport, communication, etc. They are called productive activities. Definition. An economy refers to the various activities related to production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services in a certain geographical region. An economy is defined as a relationship between production, trade, and the supply of money in a particular country or region. Thus, an economy deals with production, distribution, consumption, and allocation of available resources in a particular area. One point two, Meaning of an economy. An economy is a combination of productive activities and services. People buy various goods and services from the market to satisfy their wants. An economy is a system which provides the means to work and earn a living. It is an organization which makes use of the available resource to produce goods and services. In the past, village economy was an important economic, political, and administrative unit. Agriculture and handicrafts were the main activities of the people in villages. The state Maharashtra, as well as the national India and the global world economy which exists today, show an extension of the village economy. 1.3, Types of economy. There are three types of economy. 1. Capitalist economy. 2. Socialist economy. 3. Mixed economy. 1. Capitalist economy. In a capitalist economy, the means of production are owned and managed by private individuals. The main motive of producers is to maximize profit in a capitalist economy. For example, USA. 2. Socialist economy. In a socialist economy, society as a whole collectively owns the factors of production. So the means of production are owned and managed by the government. Its main aim is to maximize social welfare. For example, China. 3. Mixed economy. It is a coexistence of both public and private sector. In this case, the means of production are owned and managed by the government as well as private individuals. For example, India. 1.4, Features of economy. The main features or characteristics of an economy are given below. 1. Specific geographical area. 2. Natural resources. 3. Population. 4. Political sovereignty. 5. Sectoral distribution. 1. Specific geographical area. Every economy has a well-defined geographical area which determines the boundaries of a nation. The Indian economy owns about 32,87,263 square kilometers of land with 28 states and 7 union territories. It occupies 2.4% of the total land area of the earth. 2. Natural resources. Natural resources refer to resources which are freely available in nature. It includes land, mountains, water, sunshine, sea, forest, mineral deposits, etc. Level of production in the economy is influenced by the availability and utilization of natural resources. 3. Population. Supply of labor in a country depends upon the size of population. Education, training, and health services improve the quality of human resources. Example, population used in productive activities. There are 3 concepts regarding the size of population of a country. Optimum population. It indicates an ideal size of population. In this case, the available resources are properly utilized. B. Overpopulation. The excess population above the optimum level is known as overpopulation. It increases pressure on the available resources. Underpopulation. It is a situation in which the existing population is not enough to use the available resources fully. 4. Political sovereignty. The term sovereignty means supreme power or authority. Political supremacy is directly related to the economy. The government of the country must have the supreme power to make rules and to enforce laws. An independent and political sovereign nation can take decisions about the socio-economic welfare of the country. 5. Sectoral distribution. On the basis of ownership and management, sectors are classified as private sector, public sector, and joint sector. On the basis of the nature of activities, various productive activities are mainly classified into 3 sectors. A. Primary sector. It is also called as agricultural sector. Occupations mainly based on natural resources are included in the primary sector. For example, agriculture, activities like animal husbandry, poultry farming, fisheries, forestry, mining, etc. In a developing economy like India, more than half of the population is engaged in the primary sector. B. Secondary sector. It is also called as the industrial sector. It includes occupations related to manufacturing, construction work, electricity, natural gas, water supply, etc. 3. Tertiary sector. It is also known as the service sector. It includes services like transport, communication, banking, insurance, trade, finance, health, education, hotels, entertainment, etc. Sectoral distribution of GDP in India 2011. Sectoral distribution of GDP is an index which measures the economic development of a country. In India, the contribution of secondary and tertiary sector in GDP is rising. It indicates an increase in India's economic development.